Do you work all week daydreaming about fishing and what the weekend might bring? Well, I'm in the same boat. My name is Chris Shepard. I don't need to go fishing, I have to. Inshore, offshore, from shore, I do it all. Well, at least I try. Grab your popcorn, hit subscribe, and be prepared for one heck of a fishing story, because this is The Real Shepard. What's going on, you guys? Chris here. Today we're in Port St. Joe, Florida. We're down here at the marina. We're just gonna pitch some bull minnows out, see what we can catch. I've got my hopes on a flounder, maybe a trout or redfish. Y'all stick around with me and let's see what we can catch. Kind of doing a knocker rig. The weight is above the fluoro, and I'm using a piece of 15-pound fluoro with a 2-aught mustad circle hook, and then you see that live bull minnow. I would be offshore today, and believe me, I wanted to go, but a lot of weather and clouds out there, if y'all can see it. And you know, with my boat, if I ended up getting caught up in a storm, it would be bad. So I try to play it safe. Pick my days when I can. There we go. There we go. Got him. Got him. Here we go. I don't know. We got them coming though, whatever it is. Whoa, what was that? Whoa. Flounder, big old flounder. Whoa. Heck yeah. All right, come on, come on, come on. Nice, nice. That's a keeper. Sweet. That's a keeper for sure. Flounder got to be 14 inches. He's keeper. He's close, but he's definitely a keeper. Man, heck yeah. Woo. First keeper. Heck, oh gosh, oh gosh. Hold on now, I don't want to lose him. All right, let's go put him in the box. Yeah, he's 14. Sweet. There we go. That was awesome. Let's see if we can't do it again. All right, I'm just hooking these bull minnows right in the head, and I'm gonna cast it back over there to the right again. Shoot, we missed one, and then we caught one the next cast, so maybe they're all laid up over there. There we go. We got them. We got them. We got them. Oh yeah. Oh, dang it. We know what to do. We know what to do. Just wonder if these little ones will get them like those big ones. Man, I hate losing them. It felt good too. There we go. All right, he's on. All right, we're on. We're on tight. We got him back. This feels like a good one. This feels like a mangrove here. Come on, baby. Be a mangrove. Or another big flounder. I'm gonna get my net for this. Ooh, wait a minute. It's another flounder. Oh, this one ain't gonna be a keeper. He ain't gonna make it. He's just a little baby. So cool to catch though. Oh man, why you gotta be hooked so good? Oh man, I'm sorry. There we go. We'll let this little guy go, but man, what a beautiful species. He's got pretty colors, nice spots. We'll let him go. He's out of here. Fun, fun, fun. We putting the flounder smack down on him. Oh man, well that'll be alright. We'll pull it right back across it. Hey, at least we're getting some action, man. It's awesome. Alright. All I'm doing is just casting it and working it real slow, just as slow as I can across the bottom. Yep, there he is fighting. There we go. No, oh my gosh. I keep missing them. I can't believe it. Goodness. Chris, you're on to something here, dude. Every cast you're missing fish. We're figuring it out. We're figuring it out. It's a very subtle bite too. I mean, you don't feel it. There he is. There he is. All right, let's get him up. Come on, baby. Another flounder. Another little smalls. We'll have to let this one go also. He's just another little baby. But man, we're putting the hurt on him. Look at him, beautiful. Let him go. You know, I would walk up and down this wall, but man, this thing is slick. At least right here, I've got my little pier behind me. So if you ever do come down here, please be careful, especially if water's coming over the wall like it is today. Oh, got a bite, got a bite. Oh yeah, oh, missed. Got it that time. Nope, he's still there, holding on. Man, look at those teeth marks on him. Wow. All right, y'all, it's getting to be just a little bit too rough up on this seawall. The tide is definitely rising, and it's just getting to be unsafe standing on it. I mean, I'm in about calf knee deep water every time a wave comes by. My phone's getting wet, my keys are getting wet. So we're gonna go to the other side of the seawall, which would be the Port St. Joe Marina, and we'll do the same thing over there, just pitch around the bull minnows and see what we can do. But man, we caught some flounder. Woo! Real quick, you guys, if you're enjoying this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Let's push this video out to everybody. I appreciate it. Forever grateful. Back on the other side, work our bull minnows nice and slow, just like before. crab. That's a big one. Hey, y'all keeping crab?
Yeah.
There you go. There you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. There we go. What we got? What we got? Mangrove. Check it out. Oh, that's a keeper. That's a you got a stick. Here, I'm gonna check them out. Right in front of me at the pier.
Yeah.
Well, they got to be 10 or 8.
Yeah, 10.
Oh, he's keeper. Let me throw that in the box, boy. Heck yeah. Straight down in front of me. He was hitting it as I was reeling it in. Yeah. Right here. Right there. Drop one while I put this in the cooler. Heck yeah, dude. Happy about that. Truck's way over there. I'll be back. Heck yeah, y'all. We got us a mangrove. Sweet. Man, what an awesome little fishing trip we got going on here today. Made a new friend. Helped some people out with a blue crab. Sweet. Sweet. They were right here as I was picking it up. One of them bumped at it and I sat it back down and he grabbed it. I had cast it this way and was kind of just working it back slow. But I tell you, he was on this wall. He had to have been because it was right in front of me. Alright, y'all, let's go back to our other spot. See if we can't catch one more. This is kind of slow down here. Alright, let's go. Alright, you guys, trying the original spot again. We'll see if maybe some more flounder have appeared. It is still pretty wavy, but we had more action here than we did down there, so we're gonna fish it. All right, here we go. Oh man, we gotta back up. All right, y'all, we had a pretty epic day down here in Port St. Joe. 2 flounder, 1 mangrove snapper, but we probably caught 7 or 8 flounder. Good trip. I'll see y'all back at the cleaning table. Let's go. Hey, you guys, I was just driving and I was thinking, you know, I still got a couple bull minnows. Let's, man, I got to go in Blue Water and see if they got any shrimp. I got to do it. Hold tight. I went back by Blue Waters in an attempt to get some shrimp. There's a shrimp shortage in the Panhandle right now because nobody has any. I've been by Blue Water, went by the Mexico Beach Marina, went by Pier 98. Nobody had shrimp this morning. One of those 3 places said they haven't seen shrimp in over a week. So if you need some, if you're planning on coming down here and you need live shrimp, in most cases I do, then plan ahead. But I was just thinking, we've still got probably a dozen or so bull minnows. Maybe when we get back to the camper, we'll hit the cut and see what happens there. I've never fished with bull minnows at the cut. You know, we'll see if we can make this video a well-rounded full day video, what I'm saying. But just stick with me, y'all. I got the fire coming. The day continues. Now we're down on the intercoastal. We've still got a couple bull minnows and we're gonna just throw them out on some set rigs see what happens. I've caught a lot of fish at this location: redfish, trout, black drum, catfish, largemouth bass, ladyfish. I've caught a little bit of everything from right here. So I'm pretty confident that something might hit a bull minnow. One thing is, I normally fish here with shrimp, live shrimp. Today I've got live bull minnows. Couldn't get my hands on those shrimp this morning. So plan on being out here for about an hour. So let's get at it, see what happens. So I still got at least a dozen here. And we'll see what happens. I'll hook them in right there in the nose so they can stay alive. All right. We're gonna toss them out there. And y'all, these are my stealth rigs, the 3-way swivel rig that I use for pretty much everything. Just got a little lead line with a 2-ounce pyramid paired with a piece of 15-pound fluorocarbon going to a Mustad 2-aught circle hook. First one is set. Y'all watch it now, y'all watch it. All right. These bull minnows are pretty hard to catch, but we get them. Ooh, this is a little fat juvenile bull minnow here. He might be good. All right. And this one, y'all, I've got the stealth rig tied onto the fish gum runt rod. I've used this thing in a few videos. It's a blast to fish with, and definitely wanted to bring it today for an opportunity to catch something on it. But if you want some excitement while you're fishing, get you a fish gum runt rod, because this thing, it can handle the pressure. Like I said, I've caught 20+ inch redfish. That huge black drum I caught in the surf a few videos ago, it was on this rod. And I tell you, it just makes fishing fun, man. Even if you're, it can handle the big fish, but it's also, just a light action rod. All right, you guys, we got the rod set. Hopefully we get on them good. We're just rounding down the day. It's hot right now. It's middle of the day. We fished all morning on that Seawall in Port St. Joe, and we're just trying to finish it off over here. So stick around and let's hope we catch one. We got one, y'all. Dang, swimming all wrong direction. Get back over here. Get back over here. Oh. Catfish. Hey, they're fun to catch. Oh, he's big too. There we go. Catfish. What's up, bud? All right. This time we're gonna hook it in the tail since we're set rigging. See if that helps anything. Uh-oh, fish on. Had a bite. You get this thing casted out. Definitely had a bite. Dang, did I get hung up in something? What is that? Is that a fish? Oh, I got a big blue crab. It's a monster blue crab. Is he hooked or is he just holding on to it? He's hooked. Y'all, look at my blue crab. Oh man, he's a beast. We're gonna keep him. Dang, this is a big blue crab. Look at that claw he's got. He's missing one of them. He's got one beast of one on the other side. All right, let's see if we can't get this without getting pinched. I think I should just grab this claw. Woo! He ain't happy. That is for sure. I don't know how if I should try to grab that claw or not. Oh, got him. I could use that blue crab for bait. Snip them up, toss them out. What y'all think? Seem to be staying pretty constant with the action right now. All right. Toss it right out there. Whoa, whoa, okay. Dang, there we go. Whoa, what is that? Something big. Ooh, I lost it, came off. It was definitely, nope, is he still there? Nope, got off. Dang, did y'all see that? Whatever that was broke my hook. Oh man, that killed me. I hate that I missed that. I was reeling in the runt rod, and then all of a sudden this one went slack, and I saw a huge splash out there. Jumped twice, he was gone. It honestly looked like a trout. That fish was running, man. Like when he grabbed it, he was moving. Oh. Right there, right there. And I was reeling this one in to check it, and that one went off. Come on now. Oof. Okay. You still doing good? Yeah, you're kicking like crazy. Let's try to get you out there a little bit more to the left with this other one. Oh yeah. I don't know. I think I'm asking for disaster leaving it there. Probably end up getting tangled. Let's see if we can't get her a little bit more to the right. Just a little bit. There we go. There it is. That's where she needs to be. Uh-oh. We got one. Green line on slack. Oh yeah, we got him. We got him. This might be redfish. Big fish. Just fighting. Woo. Woo. Catfish. Come on, baby. That's a good one. Oh, got him. All right. Big old sail cat. It's all right, buddy. I'm gonna let you go. It's okay. I got you. All right. No worries, no worries. I'm gonna let you go. Beautiful, big old sail cat. They're fun to catch. Fight like a redfish. Let them go. Cool. Look, he's lost. Fun catch, fun catch. Ooh, that slime. Ugh. Gotta get it clean. Let's re-rig, do it again. Oh, look at that. We still got the bullman. Is he still alive? Yeah, well, no. And y'all, on that one, I was over there casting a jig head, and I just saw the line go slack. Ran over here, tightened the line. He was there. All right, you guys, that's a wrap for the cut. Blue crab, 2 nice catfish. I'm pretty confident that was a trout that we were hooked into, but it's getting hot. I'm thirsty. Let's get out of here. All right, y'all, we made it back to the camper. We got our flounders and our mangrove snapper on the table. I realized earlier that, you know, I mentioned I didn't have a tape measure. They've got to be 14 inches to keep. This one's about 14 and a half. This one is right at 14 and a quarter. And our mangrove snapper, we measured him. He was about 11 and a half, 12 inches. So everything's legal. We're gonna clean them up. Y'all let me know how I did. It's not every day I get to clean a flounder. Y'all, I just watched 2 videos on YouTube on how to clean flounder, and one of the ways is to kind of make 2 fillets by starting in the middle, filleting out, and another guy just kind of did it. And I think that's what we're going to try to do. He just really just came in and came across like that, got his knife in there on this side, and he just kind of pushed it, flexing on this side all the way down. And then he came back up over the middle, we're just going to make sure we get over the center the best we can. Kind of like this. Just down the back. I'm flexing the knife so it gets it. And there we go. Let's see if we can't come back up without cutting my finger. Alright. There we go. Piece of flounder. It's not real bad. Pretty good. Get in here, just push it down, and get over the backbone.
I don't want to just throw them on there. That'll take fucking all day.
Alright, flexing the knife.
Alright, how is that half full?
There they are. What do y'all think? What you think? Not hold on, let me, is it going? Yeah. What y'all think? Not too bad? I mean, I can see. Alright. A fillet. Oh man, I got poop on this one. I gotta rinse it. Man, that poop got on this fillet. Might have to cut that off. I don't know. Kind of start up and miss the ribs. In, but not past the rib. Out. And we're gonna come up to the backbone, over it. Man, the fish is just sliding everywhere. There we go, we got him now. Over the backbone, and then once we're over it, we're gonna add an angle, flex the knife down that side. It's not a bad fillet. And then very carefully cutting towards my hand, we'll ease her back up. There's a few bones right there. There we go. There we go. Alright, this one we've got to go this way. Dang, man, we got in that poop again. Just push the knife is what he said. The guy said just push the knife through it. Ugh. Alright, back up, over. Looks like I went through down and back up. There we go. There's the, oh, dang, did y'all see any of that? Okay, yeah, you did. There's the other one. Now to skin them, we're just gonna grab the smaller end of the fillet, get a good start on it. Flounder skin's pretty tough, so you can get down on this. Oh. Oh, Chris. Sorry, we'll get it, we'll get it. Alright, I've screwed up.
I can't believe you said surprise.
Ooh. Alright, there's one in, well, a little skin still on it. Let me see if I can get it off. Alright, there's half our flounder. Pretty good? Not too bad. Boom! How about that one? Not too bad. These white ones look pretty thin. There ain't much to these, but we'll see. There we go. It's not a very impressive piece of meat. I mean, I did get it off the skin. It just wasn't very big flounder. Kind of a small on the smaller side. Y'all tell me what I need to do about this poop. It ain't coming off. We're cutting the poop off. And these nasty ears. There we go. Alright. That's the flounder. We got a mangrove snapper here. What the heck was this guy eating? That was green. Boom. It was a pretty good day fishing. I realized, you know, we didn't go offshore. We stayed inshore. Just with my size boat, I can't do that every time I go fishing. So we bounced around a lot today inshore. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Shout out to all my new followers and anyone who liked this video, left me a comment. I appreciate y'all. Trying to grow my YouTube, and I can't do it without y'all. So all the recent support I've gotten, I'm forever grateful. I appreciate it, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Thanks.